Alright, doing a single box break of 11-12 Upper Deck Ultimate for Kev. The serial number on this box is 189523987. It's the only box Ultimate I have. Okay, go. Can't really see that. Alright, good luck, Kev. Alright, starts off nice. Wayne Gretzky base card out of 399. Next card, Ultimate Rookies out of 399. Zach Rinaldo. Zach Rinaldo for the Flyers. Ultimate Signatures for the Winnipeg Jets of Mark Scheifele. No numbering. And we have premium swatches out of 34 to 35, Ilya Kovalchuk for the Devils. Send the video over right now. That's it for the break.